What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering two new positions. These are data entry or data entry related jobs. Beginner friendly. One doesn't pay a whole lot, but it's something that anyone can do. It's also beginner friendly. You don't need to have any experience. In fact, they do provide you with training, so that's a plus. And they're both remote work from home positions. So one here, all you really need to land this job is to have a high school diploma or the equivalent, and also be able to type at least 45 words per minute, be 18 years of age or older, and that's about it. Again, doesn't pay a whole lot, but you do get training, and it is beginner friendly or entry level. The other position here is not a data entry position per se, it's a administrative analyst position, but some of the tasks here will be data entry related, or most of the tasks in this job will be data entry related. So you'll be using data entry tools, and that's what you'll be doing. And this job pays slightly over $24 per hour. So two really good job leads here. So be sure to stick around to the very end of this video so you can hear about these two really great data entry or data entry related work from home jobs. Now, before I dive into all the details here, just a quick reminder, if you haven't already done so, be sure to check out my second channel, this channel right here. This is the work from home channel. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I can find on the internet. So if you came here primarily because you were looking for a remote work from home job, whether it's part-time, full-time, flexible schedule, overnight, or some other method of making money online, then you definitely want to go over to the work from home channel, because again, this is where I'm posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I can find online. And when you do subscribe, be sure to tap the notification bell, because it seems as if that's the only way that YouTube will send out notifications of when I post new videos. So let's dive into the job leads for today. So first of all, this first job here is a data entry associate at Conduent. It is remote. Again, it doesn't pay a whole lot. It's only $14 per hour, but they do give you benefits and you do get training. So 1 to 6 weeks of training, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. And then after training, these are the available schedules. Also, some Saturdays and some overtime may be required, so keep that in mind. Now, for this position, they're not just hiring one person, they're hiring a lot of people. So you guys can go ahead and apply, because it's not a job listing for just one person. Now, these are the only requirements here. Must be able to complete typing test and pass score of 45 words per minute. Must be at least 18 years of age or older. Must have a high school diploma or general education degree. Must be eligible to work in the United States, and must be able to clear any necessary criminal background checks or drug screenings. Benefits here, you get full benefit options, health, dental, and visual or vision benefits, and also you get to work from home. So this is this job, data entry associate at Conduent. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to go ahead and apply. Now, Conduent is a fairly big enough company. I've covered them a couple of times before, so you guys should be familiar with Conduent. Usually, for the most part, they always have remote work from home jobs, and sometimes they have jobs that are outside of the US or international jobs as well. So you can check out their careers page, because they do have quite a bit of jobs from time to time. Now, the second position I came across was a administrative services analyst at Pyramid Consulting, and it does say Austin, Texas on site. However, here it says that this is a 3+ months contract opportunity with a long-term potential, and it is located inside the US, and it is remote. So probably it's headquartered in Austin, Texas, but it is actually a remote position. Now, right off the rip here, they're telling you that the salary is $24 per hour. You also get health insurance, medical, dental, vision, a 401k plan, sick leave, and a bunch of other benefits. And as for responsibilities, or what you'll be doing in this job, you'll be completing day-to-day administrative service tasks without supervision. So this will be routine task, and also you need to have a good knowledge and understanding of data entry and data entry related procedures. Also deliver straightforward administrative or other basic business services in data entry. So a lot of the tasks here are related to data entry. As for what you need to land this job, ability to work with multiple systems, data entry skills of course, ability to work in an environment with heavy inventory and daily quota, high school degree or GED is required. Also, they're looking for someone that has at least 6 to 1 years of experience, or 1 year experience rather. Healthcare experience is preferred, not required. Strong data entry and proficient use of multiple applications simultaneously. Must be proficient in Microsoft suite of applications. So a lot of these are going to be data entry related skills that you need to have. So if you have worked in data entry before, then this is probably going to be that perfect job for you. But even if not, because of the requirements here, not very strict. So a lot of you guys can still apply if all you have is a high school diploma. You can type fairly quickly. You can use multiple applications at once, and you also are able to work remotely. So $24 per hour, not bad. Now, Pyramid Consulting, this company, I've never covered them before, so you guys may not be familiar with the company. So I was able to find them on Glassdoor. They have overall rating here is 4.2 out of 5 stars, so fairly good. They have over 2,000 reviews, so you can read up on what a lot of people who worked here before or people who currently work here had to say about working at this company and their experience. Also, salaries listed here, over 2,600 salaries. But we do know the salary for this position, so no need to go through the salaries here. But if you are interested, or if you're curious in finding out what other jobs or other people reported making here for other jobs, then you can check out the salaries here on Glassdoor. And with that said, also Conduent, they are listed on Glassdoor as well. As I said before, big enough company, over 10,000 reviews. Overall rating here is 3.1 out of 5 stars. They do hire internationally, and they have over 13,000 reported salaries here. So you can look at data entry salaries and see what other people reported making in data entry. So for example, data entry right here, based on over 50 reported salaries, people reportedly make anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000 per year, or an average around $35,000 per year. So that kind of falls in line with a salary there of $14 per hour. So you can find these companies on Glassdoor and you can read up on reviews and also salaries, look at interview questions, benefits, and other things that you may be interested in before you actually go ahead and apply. So these were the 2 jobs for today. The data entry associate, they're hiring multiple people for this position, and also the administrative services analyst at Pyramid Consulting. Now that said, I also just posted another brand new job lead on my second channel, the work from home channel, that is data entry related, where you can find a beginner data entry job. So be sure to check out that channel or my recent video there, as you may be interested in that as well. And before you guys go, just to remind you of this resource, the Pro Resume templates right here, professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which simply means that your resume won't be discarded, won't be filtered out by the system, and now actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review. So here you're getting 3 resume templates, 3 professionally done resume templates. These templates come broken down into sections, each section having instructions on how to customize it depending on the type of job you're applying to. Also, you're getting matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. So everything is going to look really well because everything matches with the same theme or the same template. You can use all 3, or you can pick the one you like the most and use it. Everything is fully customizable. You don't need any paid software. You can customize these using Google Docs, which is also completely free. So link is down below if you do need this resource. But with that covered, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.